Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll present you the 2025 Nissan Navara, a blend of power, performance and cutting-edge innovation designed to conquer every challenge. So let's dive into the details of this remarkable vehicle. The 2025 Nissan Navara boasts a bold new design. With an imposing front grille, sleek LED headlights and robust lines, it's built to make a statement on and off-road. The new Navara's muscular stance is not just about looks, it's about performance and capability. Under the hood, the 2025 Navara doesn't disappoint. It features a powerful hybrid powertrain formed between a 3-liter V6 turbo diesel engine and an electric motor, delivering an impressive 255 horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. So the new Navara is built for heavy-duty tasks. With a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilos and a payload capacity of 1,100 kilos, is ready to handle your total job. Also, the off-road enthusiast will appreciate the advanced 4x4 system, offering exceptional traction and control on very bad terrains. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Navara. It comes equipped with the Nissan Safety Shield 360, featuring technologies like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. But the utility is the core of the Navara's design. The cargo bed is not only spacious but also smartly equipped with features like durable bed liner, multiple tie-down points, and an integrated tailgate step for easy access. Whether you are hauling tools or adventure gear, the Navara has you covered. And as a brief conclusion, we can clearly say that the all-new 2025 Nissan Navara sets a new benchmark for pickup trucks with his powerful performance, advanced technology, and unparalleled utility. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our brief video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.